All right, guys. First startup of the new exhaust system on the Tiburon. Woo! Exciting times, guys. Exciting times.
You ready?
Go. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We have the good old clapped out ship box on the lift right now, as you guys can see. We haven't put it up yet, but we're gonna put it up. We're gonna assess the situation for these headers and exhaust system that I bought Zach for his clapped out ship box, a piece of junk Tiburon. We're gonna look underneath. We're gonna see how difficult things are. We're gonna see if it's something that we want to tackle. Who knows? Who knows? Like right here's a front header, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that looks like a fucking asshole. I'm not gonna lie. Looks like something I don't want to do, but we're gonna take a look. There's currently no exhaust system on this car right now. The previous owner ripped it completely off. So, what are you doing?
I got my brake.
Oh. So we're gonna lift it up here and we're gonna see what's going on. Are you ready? Don't mess up that beautiful wing.
We're taking it off.
We're not taking it off. That wing's notary. People love that wing. Comment below, let me know if you love the wing. All right, guys, we are back. So car's up in the air, obviously. And we did some assessments, Zach and I. And we're gonna start putting the exhaust on. We're gonna start from the back though, right here. And we're gonna get the back pipe on. We did clear coat the exhaust tips as well. And we put a nice little set of clear coat on there, so it should look okay. It kind of looks okay. I think they kind of changed overnight. What do you think?
They faded a lot.
Yeah, they faded a lot, but whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna sit. What's that?
At this point, it didn't really change anything. Like, it went back.
Well, it did, but there's still a little bit of a blue onto it. Very little, but it's there. It's there. It's there. All right, Zach, put your exhaust on. Let's go. He doesn't know what he's doing, so. I lubed up all your hangers for you already. Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're gonna watch Zach do this. No.
Yes.
Definitely not. Definitely not right. Well, you're getting colder. You're so cold. So cold. So, oh, you're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. Oh boy. Oh, you're I don't know what's going on with your face right now, but it's not right. Oh, that's not right either.
Oh.
Keep it going, keep it trying. No, definitely not. Listen, you're probably gonna hear this a lot when you get older. Just look for the hole. All right, buddy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Here, I'll help you a little bit. Get your side over there, let that hang. Now here's what you're gonna do first and foremost, Zach, is put this one on, put that one on over there. I got this. So stick that in the hole. Move it around if you need to. There you go. The muffler's gonna, there you go, you see? Yeah. Now you're gonna have to grab that and move it over into, there you go, and then push your muffler up. It's gonna be dirty, don't worry, you can wash your hands later on. That's not safe. Oh, is it in? Oh, did you get this one in too?
Yeah.
It's not all the way in though, because we gotta get this in. So hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Now get that, do the same thing with that one over there. So I would get...
Problem.
What?
It doesn't fit.
Yes, it does. It'll fit.
No, it's hitting this. What is this?
Well, no, it's gonna stretch. Oh shit, is it hitting that?
Yeah, it doesn't fit.
Oh no.
You gotta take this thing off, this cover.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't look. Or wait, no, it's hitting this. It doesn't fit over here.
What the freak?
Unless I pull.
You might have to move it over some. Yeah, move it over some. There, like that. And then, there we go. You see? There we go.
Oh,
I can't.
That hanger doesn't fit on the exhaust. It's too tight.
Yeah, it does. It'll fit. No, it'll fit. You just gotta. It'll fit on that. Trust me. Get this one up here first. Get that one up there first, buddy. You have to maneuver it around.
Attempting.
Yeah, you're gonna get dirty. So okay. Now try to put that one in there. See?
No.
Yeah,
Look,
well.
it rubs.
Oh, I see. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the pry bar and we're gonna move that around a little bit is what we're gonna do. Alrighty. So we're gonna need a gasket, Zach.
Yeah.
And we're gonna need.
Messy. Is that okay?
Go get a rag and wipe yourself off. Go wipe your hands off. That's what you need to do. He's dirty right now. He just got done installing his exhaust and he's like, oh my God, I'm finally working for a living. Look at me, guys. Look at me. I did notice back here that these nuts were kind of rusty, these adjustable nuts back here. And I figure if this thing, once we get an inspection and admissions, after this is all done, in case we need to do an alignment or anything, they can adjust those properly. But as you can see, the pipe does go up and over here like so and comes out of there. By the looks of it, this exhaust system already sucks. I'm definitely not gonna lie to you. Definitely already sucks. So we're gonna see how the rest of it goes together. Hopefully the rest of it doesn't suck like the last part does. So he's washing his hands, and then we're gonna be putting on this pipe here. And after this pipe, we're gonna put this pipe on, which is the last mid pipe before what would be the cat up front of the engine bay there, or underneath the engine bay. Alrighty, now that Zach's back from washing his hands, now we're gonna continue. So here's your nut, your bolts.
This part, I think, right?
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna take that thing.
Yep.
We're gonna
the gasket
on. Look.
Yes.
We're gonna take that end.
Yes.
We're gonna put it on this end.
Yes.
We take the gasket, put them in between.
Yes.
Then we take this bolt and we put the nut on it and we tighten it with an ugga dugga.
Well, yes, kind of. Not quite yet though, but we'll get there. Okay, first you need the pipe, Goofy.
I know, but one side's nicer than the other. Which side goes on which?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what side goes on which, bud. You still need bolts though. I'll help you because this is a two-man job, so. Oh wow, now I had them out. I don't know why they're dropping on the ground when I had them out.
Hole through the hole.
Well, get it away from the hole.
It's next to the hole.
Unbelievable. Come on, let's go. Okay. Yeah, I guess that's how it goes. Okay.
Okay, let me grab one of the. Almost dropped it.
All right. Try to put the nut on that one at least. Where's the nut at?
In my pocket.
Where's the washer at?
There's a washer?
Yeah. What? Oh my God.
Hold it there.
I had it all sitting out correctly for you. All you had to do is literally pick it up.
You took it off?
Yeah, because I can't hold it up there.
God, we were so
Put the
far.
washer on top of that nut. No, on top of the nut. On top of the bolt, I mean. Yeah, really? On top of the head of the bolt? Are you shitting me? Are you really like that? Really? Oh my God. Put them both in. Might as well just put them both in. Unbelievable. This is taking way too long. Okay, now put this on. Hold it in place, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put your pipe in here, and then you just nut it. Alrighty, we're making some progress here.
It still looks like crap.
It does it? Even with that down pipe on, or whatever the fuck it's called?
Ugga dugga.
No, no ugga dugga yet. We need that pipe on now. But we need to wait for our grommets to show up. We need our grommet thingies for here. So we gotta wait for.
This one?
We can't tighten it. I don't want to tighten it until it's all together.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So let's wait. Basically, guys, we got to wait for the donuts to show up from Advance. So once they show up, we're going to come back to the video. Obviously, you guys don't have to wait, but we do. So we're going to wait for the donuts to show up. Once the donuts show up, we're going to be back out here putting the other pipe on, and then we're going to tighten everything down. All right, guys, we're back with him, and we have our new hangers as well. As you guys can see, Zach's lubed them up.
Fiber.
Listen, the pipe goes on the top. The hangers go on the bottom, by the way, just so you know. So we're gonna have Zach put the hangers in the holes, turn it around, and we're gonna connect this final pipe up here. There you go, just like that, yep.
Hey.
And then that goes up there. Yeah, put that in that hole. Oh, that looks good, I like it. Okay, come on. This one goes in the side.
Fine.
Linda, come on, Linda.
Don't scratch the paint.
Okay. Oh my God. Oh my. All right. Now, listen. Now we put those two together. Whoa. Okay. What are you doing?
These don't stick in here. Look.
They do stick in there.
They're way too. Look.
That's okay. They're supposed to be like that. It's okay.
I was trying to stick the thing in the hole.
Okay, now put that one in there. There you go. Okay, now, normally what I would do is I'd put this for, my God, how much did you literally put on here, Zach?
Not too much.
Too much. You put a whole bottle of this shit on there.
You said lube it.
Unbelievable. Yeah, lube it, not freaking destroy it. Okay, now, okay, be careful with it. Be careful. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the bolts. We gotta turn this. Okay, I got this. We gotta turn this here. This has got to be turned.
What bolts? These springy bolts?
Yeah, them springy bolts go in there, bud. But we need to turn this like this. Hold on. All right, so we have the bolts in. We're not going to use the springs. It came with springs, but it's kind of weird. We're not going to use them. So what I'm going to have Zach do is I'm going to have Zach get the Ugga Dugga, and we're going to hold this up. Well, you need to figure out what wrench size you need here, buddy. Hold on. It's what? It's not a 10, you goofball. It's not. Because we're definitely going to tighten up. We got to tighten up this first. This guy here. And then we're going to tighten up this guy here. And all that jazz. Yeah. So, should be interesting. Oh, God. Look how much we put on there. It's terrible. Terrible, I tell you. Oh, my God. It's on my fingers again. Oh, my God. All right, tighten them up here. Make sure it's like even. Why are they tight now already? Okay, go ahead and tighten them up. That one goes, no, obviously that one doesn't go there because that's not the right size. That's not the right size. Oh my God. Nope, that's the right size, but you gotta put that one on the top one to hold it, Goofy. No, that's a 14. Dippy, listen to me.
Okay.
That's a 14.
Yeah.
This is a freaking 18. You see that? I got you the right side. You literally watched me do that. Oh, wow. Look, I've grown a brain. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What are you doing?
That's left.
Oh, my God. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty every time. Every dang time. Will you use the box end wrench on the 14? Use the box end wrench on the 14. There you go. There you go. Now tighten it up. There we go. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Is it tight?
I mean, I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah, until it goes somewhere. Legend. You're not legend.
Car industry.
There's nothing legend about you. I've got some very terrible news for you, boy.
I'm a legend in the car industry.
No, you're not. Far from it, my friend.
You know my name? You know who I am?
Is that tightened up yet? What's taking so long?
That should be fine.
Man, this exhaust does fit like dog shit. I'm not gonna lie.
It does. Go nowhere.
Well, guys, to say the least, this is probably the worst freaking exhaust system I've ever seen in my life. Nothing fits correctly at all, right, Zach?
No.
Like nothing fits.
Everything rubs.
Everything rubs. Everything hits.
It rubs here too. It rubs.
The best part is this hanger does not apply. It doesn't even fit in there. Like you pretty much gotta.
I'm gonna hit a speed bump.
Oh my God! Put this back in its hole there, Zach.
It doesn't go in.
It does. All right, guys. Exhaust is on. We're gonna go ahead and let the car down so Zach can start it up. I think they're in it. Yeah.
It's probably dead though.
Go get the jump off.
You think it's how batteries can get into?
Probably not. We're gonna get down the ground and we're going to see what the exhaust tips look like on the ground. There we go. Here we go. Down she comes. You gotta jump off. The battery's damn dead again. Go figure.
Battery's always dead.
The battery's always dead.
It's kind of like a patented thing.
Yeah. I really don't like these wheels either. We need to raise it up a little bit more too.
I want SSR wheels on it.
Do you?
And I don't want to.
He wants a lot of stuff that he don't got money for. All right, as Zach is hooking up the battery, we're gonna look at these tips. Well, I tell you what, they don't look too terribly bad.
It has a little power.
I mean,
Move out the way. Move out the way.
I don't know. They definitely are tucked in. I like how they're tucked in. But they don't look bad. They don't look bad. All right, go ahead and start it up. All right, guys. First startup of the new exhaust system on the Tiburon. Woo! Woo! Exciting times, guys, exciting times. Are you ready, Zach? All right, here we go, here we go. Start her up, give her some revs.
Hold on, e-brake is important.
E-brake is important, let's go, come on.
You ready?
Go. Whoa. Rev her up a little bit. All right, guys, so we do have a little bit of an issue, as you can tell after hearing the car run. We don't have the exhaust fully connected up. As you can see, the previous owner, well, he kind of goofed up and cut this piece off, which would normally be the cat section that would connect to the actual cat back. I'm going to explain to you why we decided not to do the headers. Pretty much what it comes down to, guys, is the bolts on the headers are pretty rusty. The bolts on the heads to the headers are pretty rusty. So me and Zach talked it out, right, Zach?
Yeah, what?
Zach and I talked it out. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna ceramic coat the headers, not the whole car. We're gonna ceramic coat the headers, get them sent out, get them ceramic coated, ready to go for the new engine install that we're gonna be doing after we have the new head gaskets on it and we make sure that engine is good to go. But in the meantime, we figured we would put on this catback setup, but as you can see, we are missing one part, and that part is obviously the cats. So I did find this centerpiece here. Maybe I can call around, maybe a junkyard might have one, but I found it on eBay for like $100. We're gonna order that, and we're gonna keep the manifolds on this engine, and we're gonna put the new cat pipe. You know, and the thing is, like I was talking to Zach about it.
Hold on, why does my brake calipers look like the Appalachian Mountains?
Because you probably need rotors. We were just gonna cut this off and do a pipe from here to here. I was just gonna weld a flange and weld a pipe on just to get it running and everything. But if you look up here, we noticed that nothing's really connected. Everything's rusted to shit. So we need this.
This is held on by here.
Yeah, this is held on by there. So we need to take this mid pipe off. Yeah, it's now it's two separate pieces. But we got to take this mid pipe off and get the actual true cat pipe, which, like I said, is only like $118, $120 off eBay. It's very cheap, but we got to wait for it to come in. So we're going to order that today and get that on its way. But in the meantime, we figured we'd make a video about showing you how terrible this damn exhaust system is. So there you go, guys. That's the terrible exhaust system. You know, for the price, if you're going to go cheap for the price, you're going to have to do some finagling to get it to really work correctly. But all in all, it's not a bad exhaust system for the price. It's just, it's tight in some areas. It doesn't fit in other areas. But if you need an exhaust system that's cheap and just you can slap on and get a year out of, I have no problem, you know, saying, yeah, this could do. I know it's cheap. It's cheap. It's cheap. Other than that, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something about eBay exhaust systems. Not the greatest in the world, but we'll get you through what you need to get through. We're going to go ahead and order that last piece, get that thing installed, and then get this car on the road so Zach can start driving it on his permit, learning how to drive stick on this beat up old engine, clapped out shitbox piece of junk. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.